Tumbleweed restaurant. Used to be Ryan's.
The vines are starting to grow up the wall over there.
Wow. Oh, look at those ceiling fans. Jeez.
I know they're not normally bent like that. At least I don't think they are.
No, I think that happens in like abandoned places. They get like that. Both of them are bent. Wow. So cool. It's overgrown. Wow. The vines growing on the side of the building. Wow. Still got the tables. There's tons of cobwebs on the windows. Wow.
It looks like it's hanging from the ceiling. It's like horns or something. I don't know.
Look at the light fixture above the tables.
That's probably what I'm talking about. Oh, no, not that one. Yeah, that one over there. It's like made of horns.
Here's one of the ones laying on the table here. One of the light fixtures.
See that?
Oh.
I don't know if you guys can see it in the video, but
I see what you're talking about now.
it's like horns. It's like a chandelier or something. Yeah. That is like the coolest thing I've ever seen.
I don't know if you can see it in the video though.
Definitely spider webs growing to the table or from the table. Yeah. Oh, this is rotted out. Right here. I'll be able to get in that window eventually. Somebody will. It's grown bigger than I am.
How tall that is, jeez.
I don't know what kind of plant that is, but definitely a giant plant.
These ones are about as tall as me too.
Kind of odd.
Is that a breaker box or something they got opened? Kind of surprised they got this opened. That's a breaker box.
It is? The power's still on? That's crazy.
Surprised they got that open with the power being on.
Especially if they're not going to clean it or fix it. Use it again. Why would you leave the power on?
Look at this window. This one's rotten too.
Yeah, if they can't get in the door, they'll be...
Too bad you can't see in the kitchen though. You can just see in like the dining room area.
I like the fireplace.
Oh, that is a nice fireplace right there in the middle.
It's a wonderful fireplace. I'd like to have that in my house.
That was
It's
a
a pretty nice looking restaurant. It was.
right?